y'all? My new Point Break movie is about to drop. It's about how I infiltrate terrorist networks, and I sabotage all of their drones, and I learn how to surf. Acid, man. I take acid too, and it's a retelling of the Keanu Reeves Point Break classic. I'm not supposed to talk about it, but since I'm doing most of the camera work in it, I'm gonna tell you, it's really good. So you might catch a glimpse of me at the if you haven't already met me at any of the premieres or whatever. I'm like super famous. If you're hot, if you're a chick, totally hit me up on Facebook Messenger. Yeah. The ISIS drone repair guy, not ISIS. Yeah, cause I need attention. Mike Berry, YouTube.com. Just do it. I'm famous right now, but by the time you decide you want to have sex with me, I won't be famous anymore. Do it. Just do it.